Thank you for reaching out to the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. My name is Paul Gebb, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually record a PowerPoint presentation with your face in the bottom right-hand corner and then upload that to D2L using Panopto. So as you can see here, I am Stuart Test Student right now, which means I'm a student within this class. I'm going to go in to first discussions to find the discussion I want to post in. Once I click into that discussion post, I'm going to start a new thread using that blue button. An HTML box will pop up, and what I am doing right now is typing in Stuart's presentation. I'm going to go in the HTML box, and I'm going to click the Insert Stuff button. Insert Stuff button. If that button does not appear, make sure your window is stretched big enough so you can see that Insert Stuff button. Make sure it's not condensed. Once I click that button, I have a lot of choices. I'm going to use Panopto. So as I use Panopto, it automatically opens up and gives me choose, upload, or record. I'm going to click record, and you have two choices: capture in browser or capture in software that you have to download. Don't download the software. It always has to be updated. So let's just use the browser. I'm going to click there, and it's going to open up a new tab in my browser. Hi, that's me. And we're going to go ahead and start recording. The first thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to make sure that we have our camera set up and chosen. And then there's another button called Screen and Apps. Screens and Apps. You can do the entire screen, the window, or Chrome tab. I'm going to pick window. And in my window, I'm going to pick my PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to share. Once I click that, it's going to pop up my presentation, and then I'm going to click back into the browser so you can see I have a picture of me, and then I have the presentation. Now, once I get ready to press start or record, I'm actually going to expand the PowerPoint so it looks more professional, so we don't see all of these slides in the left-hand side of the page. So I'm going to click record, and it's going to count down. I'm going to go ahead and upload that PowerPoint presentation, and I am going to start talking. So, ungrading. Why rating students undermines learning and what to do instead. This is a book that was presented a couple weeks ago from the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. And I had another slide here, and I'm talking about it. And I go to my next slide. I'm going to escape out of this and then stop recording. Once I do that, this window is actually going to start processing my video. In the left-hand corner, it says it's safe to close your browser window. So I'm going to go ahead and close this browser window, and it's going to take me back to my D2L page, and it says video will be ready shortly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick insert, which is what we typically should do. And oh no, there's an error, but don't worry. We're working on this error, and we're going to get back to it very shortly for a more permanent solution. But for now, I'm going to click cancel. I'm still in my D2L discussion in the HTML box with my cursor blinking, saying that I want something there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll back up, and I'm going to click the Panopto's Class Videos button. We've enabled where videos get recorded in the Panopto class video folder, and I'm going to choose the one. This one right here was done a minute ago. This one down here was yesterday when I created a video like this. And I'm going to click share. So once I share the video that I want to see, I'm going to click the who can access this video. I'm going to change that to anyone at your organization with the link. I'm going to click embed, and I'm going to click show captions, so we make the captions more accessible for other students and teachers. Copy the embed code. Now it's copied to my dashboard. I'm going to get out of this, and I'm going to go back into the HTML box. Once again, I'm going to use the Insert Stuff button, and I'm going to choose Enter Embed Code. I'm going to Control V, which is paste. Next, I see the video, and insert, and it's not going to necessarily pop up there for a second until I click post. Now, Stuart's presentation is now officially posted. If I click more, I can go into it and we can watch. Load that PowerPoint presentation. Ta-da! So this is how you are going to be sharing your PowerPoint presentations within your classes using Panopto. and using the Panopto integration within discussions. If you have any other further questions, please reach out to onlinehelp@okcu.edu, and I thank you for tuning in today.